What if I told you the way you throw your trash today is shaping your future tomorrow? Think about that for a second. Every plastic bottle, every food wrapper, every small thing you use and forget, it doesn't disappear. It stays. And one day, it comes back. But here's the question. Can you change that while also improving your English? This is where everything changes. Today, you are not just listening to a story. You are living it. You are learning, speaking, and growing. At the same time, take a deep breath. Listen carefully and softly repeat after me in your mind. This is your moment. This is your practice.
This is your change.
It started on a normal morning. The sun was rising slowly. The air felt calm. Everything looked peaceful. But something felt wrong. The streets were full of trash. Plastic bags flying in the wind. Empty bottles on the ground. Food waste everywhere. And people walked past it like it was nothing. No one stopped. No one cared. Have you ever seen something like this? Of course you have.
We all have.
And that's the problem. We see it, but we don't feel it. We know it, but we don't act. But what happened next, no one expected. A young person stood there looking at the mess.
Silent.
Thinking. Watching. And then a question came to the mind. Is this the world I want to live in?
Pause.
Say it slowly in your mind. This is not the world I want. Again. This is not the world I want. Good. Now feel it. Because this is where the story begins. At first it felt small. One person. One thought. One decision. But sometimes one small step can change everything. The next day, something different happened. That same person came back. But this time not empty-handed.
A bag. Gloves.
And a simple plan. Pick one piece of trash. Just one. It sounds easy, right? But here is the truth. Starting is always the hardest part. There was fear. What will people think? Will they laugh? Will I look strange? Have you ever felt this fear? Of course you have. We all have. But something stronger was growing inside. A quiet voice saying, "Do it anyway."
Say it with me.
Do it anyway. Again. Do it anyway.
So the hand moved. Slowly.
One piece of trash. Then another. And another. Minutes passed. People watched. Some laughed. Some ignored. But something interesting happened. After some time, one more person stopped. Then another. Then another. No one planned it. No one announced it. But people started helping. This is where everything changed. One action became many actions. One person became a small group. And that small group started to grow. Now listen carefully. This part is important. Because this is not just about cleaning. This is about thinking. This is about living. This is about changing your life, step by step. The person learned something powerful. Recycling is not just about trash.
It is about respect.
Respect for the earth. Respect for the future. Respect for yourself.
Pause.
Repeat slowly. I respect my world. Again. I respect my world.
Good.
Now imagine this. Instead of throwing plastic, you keep it. Instead of wasting food, you save it. Instead of ignoring the problem, you become the solution. Simple actions, but big impact. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. The streets started to look cleaner. The air felt fresher. And something else changed too. The mind. Confidence grew. Fear became smaller. Purpose became stronger. But then, a new challenge came. Because growth always brings pressure. Some people started asking questions. Why are you doing this? It won't change anything. It's too small. And for a moment, doubt returned. Have you ever tried something good and people told you to stop? It hurts. It makes you think, maybe they are right. But this is the turning point. This is the moment that decides everything. Listen carefully, because this moment is also your moment. The person stopped, looked around, saw the clean street, saw people helping, saw change happening, and said, "It may be small, but it matters." Say it. It matters. Again, it matters. This is your power. Never forget it. Even small actions matter. Even your voice matters. Even your effort matters. And from that moment, there was no going back. The work continued. The message spread. More people joined.
Schools talked about it.
Communities started cleaning together. Recycling bins appeared. Awareness grew. And something beautiful happened. People started caring. Really caring. This is the climax.
The peak.
The moment no one saw coming. A place that was once full of waste became a place full of life. Green spaces.
Clean streets.
Smiling faces. And the best part? It all started with one simple decision. Now think about your life.
Right now.
What is one small change you can make?
Pause. Think.
Because this story is not just a story. It is a mirror. It is showing you something. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to change everything today. Just start small. Just start now. Pick one habit. Reduce waste. Reuse things. Recycle what you can. And most importantly, stay consistent. Because change is not fast. Change is not easy. But change is possible. Always possible. Now repeat this with me. I can make a difference. Again, I can make a difference. Feel it. Believe it. Because it's true. And here is the final lesson. The world does not change in one big moment. It changes in small, quiet decisions every single day. So when you finish this video, don't just forget it. Don't just move on. Take action. Even if it's small. Even if no one sees it. Because one day, it will grow. And it will matter more than you think. If this story touched your heart, if it made you think, if it helped your English even a little, then don't stop here. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video, because your journey is just beginning.